Okay, this is a boring piece, but it could look nice. I'm sure it'll have nice architectural shape to it. Well, it is an architectural piece in some respect. So let's see how we go with this one. It's gloss, so the gloss should work well with background colour. So we're just going to set this silly shitter up. So I wonder how big we're going to make it. 300 by 300. Let's see how we go with it in a positive mode with this particular one. The contrast is going to be up full blast. Going to lighten it up. Actually, no, we're not going to lighten it. We're going to leave it. So let's see how we go with this piece. So let's see if we can make this look good. Right, let's see what we can do. Oh, we've got to go background colour. Where is the background colour? Stupid machine. We're going to set it to cyan. Cyan will look good with this, I'm hoping. Anyway, what is it we've got? We've got here, this is a dentist. This is actually a fridge magnet, but we're interested in the picture showing obviously the practice. So we're going to photocopy this and we're going to try and get rid of those areas, those images. So we're just going to try and line that up as best as we can with the edge. So we're just going to use that little notch and we're just going to line that up. I think the fridge magnet's going to make it tip a little bit. Yeah, it does, unfortunately. It's a little bit tricky trying to straighten it up. I should have probably removed the fridge magnet, to be honest. But anyway, let's see how we go with this piece of architectural, the actual practice. So let's see how we go. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks interesting. It looks kind of bluish. It's a very subtle hint of background colour. Wondering if we're going to use this. It's going to be a very subtle in some places, this architectural shit. So I'm wondering if that's going to be the centre of our job. We just got a nice huey, sort of a bluey colour out of this. So wondering if we're going to go here and we're going to change it. We're maybe going to make it a bit smaller. So the X is going to be 290 and the Y is going to be also 290. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller on both axes. So let's see how this works, if we've made it better by dropping it 10%. Yeah, that looks better. Oh no, it doesn't. I can see we've got the edge there now. So, but that looks a bit better. So now we've got the edge of which is a pain in the ass. I'm just going to have to enlarge that bigger again on the horizontal. So the horizontal is going to be, we're going to stick with 300. And this one is going to be 285. We're going to make that one a bit smaller. See how that goes. It's not as straightforward as I was hoping it would be. Okay, out it comes. Yeah, that looks a bit better. So we got a little bit more. Not a great deal, being only 5%. Wondering where the centre of this job is actually going to be. I'm actually thinking up there. We're still a bit close to the edge though. We do need to enlarge it slightly. So we're going to make it 305%. Going to make it a 305%. We're going to keep it like that, and we're just going to print that off. This is not the greatest demo on earth, folks. It's not the greatest, but hopefully it'll turn up better than I thought. So let's see how this architectural design actually looks. Wondering if we're going to tilt it, or maybe we're just going to leave it like that, and we're just going to work out where the centre of this job is. It'll probably look better once I've set it up, once I've put the mirror images together. So let's see if we can make this look good. It's not an easy one to work with, folks. Pretty boring. A lot of boring images are difficult, and they do require a bit more extra creative interest, creative investment. And sometimes you don't always get what you put your time and your money and your resources into. So yeah, I had a demo before this one. It will take up heaps of time, and I ended up not doing a very exciting one. It still looked good, but it wasn't what I was hoping it would be, and it was a boring image, and it was a difficult and boring image. But I've had some boring images come up a total treat as well. So, you know, you get that sometimes. I'm just going to add this just to make sure I don't waste any toner and paper on stupid cropped images. So now we're not really, well, this demo's not the greatest. It might look better once I've got the mirrors put into place with the non-mirror images. So it'll look good once I'm hoping once I've lined up all the pieces. And see how this looks. It is a boring original, and therefore it's not an easy one to work with. Trying to find a creative way of using it to make it look interesting. Okay, it's not the greatest demo on earth, but that's quite okay. I think that's quite nice, architectural sort of a look. I think now we can call this demo quits.